Welcome back to TechBoss TV. Today we're reviewing the MSI MPG 321URX QD OLED monitor. Today we're unboxing one of the most powerful gaming monitors of the year, the MSI MPG 20 OLED. Let's get it out. This is the MSI MPG 21URX QD OLED. Look at this incredible display. The colors are just popping. A stunning 32-inch 4K display with a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate. Let's see if this monitor really lives up to the hype. Right on the box, MSI highlights some serious specs. A 32-inch QD OLED panel, 4K resolution, ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate. These specs are designed for competitive gamers and high-end creators alike. Inside the box, we get the adjustable stand, attaching it to the MSI MPG 321URX now. All right, inside the box, we get the USB and power cables, and here's the star of the show, the MSI MPG 321URX QD OLED monitor. The design is sleek and modern with ultra-thin bezels, making it perfect for multi-monitor setups. Around the back, you'll find DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, USB ports, and even USB-C with 90-watt power delivery. The stand allows height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, so you can easily find the perfect viewing angle. The real magic here is the third-generation QD OLED panel. This technology combines OLED contrast with quantum dot color accuracy for incredibly deep blacks and vibrant colors. The monitor supports Display HDR True Black 400, delivering intense contrast and immersive HDR visuals. Step into Cyberpunk 2077's dots and high-speed racing, all at blistering FPS. With 240Hz refresh rate and a 0.03 millisecond response time, motion looks insanely smooth with virtually no ghosting. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or open-world games, this monitor feels incredibly responsive. MSI also includes OLED Care technology to reduce the risk of burn-in. This feature uses smart pixel shifting to protect the screen, plus a 3-year burn-in warranty, which gives extra peace of mind for long gaming sessions. So as the MSI MPG 321URX QD OLED performs, the colors are amazing. Yeah, it's worth every penny. If you want one of the best gaming displays with stunning OLED visuals, this MSI is the one. The colors are incredible. Ultra-fast refresh rate and true 4K clarity, this monitor is absolutely a beast. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next TechBoss TV video.